Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn $100 per day consistently using an underground method that I'm going to show you in this video. Now this method works worldwide and you don't need to be an expert with using paid ad because you're going to be using Microsoft advertising or Bing ad to run this strategy in this video. So I just hope you stick to the end of this video so that you can learn how this strategy works and how you can implement it for yourself. My name is 𝗢𝗲𝗄𝗱𝗄𝗧 and today I'm going to be your guide. Okay, so let's jump straight into the video for today. Now what you want to do is to first find a product you want to promote. Now in order to find the product you want to promote as an affiliate, there are thousands of affiliate network out there that you can join and start promoting this product. But the network which you're going to be using or working with today is going to be MaxWeb. Okay, so there's ClickBank, there's Digistore24, there's Buygood. So you can join any of them here. But I'm using MaxWeb today because MaxWeb works worldwide. It works for any country out there compared to ClickBank that has some restrictions for some countries. So if you don't have a MaxWeb account, this is an opportunity for you to go ahead to create a new MaxWeb account. Now, once you create the account and you log into your account, now what I want you to do is to come to this section which says, when you log in, just come to this page which says campaign, click on this menu here, then you'll be brought to this page. Now on this page, what you want to do is to find a product. There are thousands of products on MaxWeb that you can promote and they are all high converting. Now what you want to do, or what I did here was I went to this is the second page. I think this is the second page here. Now this is the product which you're going to be promoting today. It says Nevo Pure. So this is the product here. Now in order, you can see this product pays $100 CPA commission when you earn a sale. So CPA simply means cost per action. So if you direct the customer that buys this product, the owner or the vendor of this product is going to pay $100 instantly. And now this $100 is not refundable. Like if the customer should return this product, like they ask for refund, they return this product, the vendor is not going to deduct that $100 for you. You're the owner of that $100 and you're going to keep it for yourself. That is why it is called CPA. Now what you want to do is to click on this manage account here. So once you click on it, it will bring you into this page. Now on this page, this is your affiliate link here on MaxWeb. So when you log in, you're going to see, or when you come to this page, you're going to see this link here. So this is your link here. Now I want to state this now before you proceed with this strategy. Where you see this place, it says restriction. You need to take note here. On ClickBank, you might want to click on the affiliate page to go to the vendor's affiliate page, then scroll down to the affiliate terms and conditions there, so that you can see if the vendor put some restriction on what you can do and what you cannot do. Now on this product, this specific product here, you can see the various restrictions here. You can see them here. So now this restriction doesn't state that we can't do something called brand bidding. Now brand bidding simply means you're targeting hot traffic. That's people who are ready to buy this product right now, instead of people who don't know about this product and the vendor just showed them this product for the first time. They might not make that decision immediately to buy. But now the people we are trying to target is people that already know about this product. They are constantly going to somewhere like Bing search, Google search, to search for this product so that they can just see the buy button and just buy this product for themselves. So that is the kind of people that we want to target, and that is why this strategy works worldwide and it works very well. Now you can see here, if you're trying to promote a different product and you see the restriction here, whether here or the affiliate page for the vendor, and they say no brand bidding, just avoid that product. You can't implement this strategy for that product. But if it doesn't state that you cannot do brand bidding for that product, like if there's no restriction there for brand bidding, then you can use this strategy to earn money for yourself. And why I love this strategy is, if you do this strategy, you can be able to earn commission as soon as today, before the end of today or tomorrow. You'll be able to see commission into whether your ClickBank account or your MaxWeb account or any other affiliate network account you're using. So now this is it here. Now what we want to do is just copy this link here. So this is my affiliate link, so I'm just going to copy this link here. Okay, now the next step you need to take is to go to Microsoft advertising. So if you don't have a Microsoft advertising account or Bing ad account, it is free to create. So you can just go to Google Bing search, just type Microsoft advertising, or Google search, you can go there, just type it, you're going to see the result. They click on it and create an account. It will just take you maybe less than 5 minutes to do. Now once you're inside the account, this is what the dashboard looks like. Now what you want to do first is to go to this place which says tools. So just click on it. Now you click on keyword planner. Okay, so once the page loads, you want to click on this one which says get search volume data and trends. So just click on this one here. Now we'll go back to this page here. So now on this page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this name, the name of the product here. So just copy the name of the product. Then you come back here. When you come back here, you just paste it here. Now once you do that, you select this place. You can see my location, United States, United Kingdom. You can add more, tier 1 countries here if you choose to. You can just click on it here. Maybe you can choose to add Australia. You can see all these things. You can add them here. Maybe you can just type Australia here. You can just, okay, so when you see this, you just click on target, so it will add it there. Now what you click on save here. Okay, so once you do that, next thing you want to do is to click on get search volume. Now you can see this product. While you were doing this, we want to know if there is decent traffic for this product, which is if there are people searching for this product. They remember what you're trying to target is people who want to buy this product now. Right now, they already know about this product. They're just looking for ad or a link that can send them straight to the checkout page so that they can just purchase that product immediately. Now, as you can see over time, you can see the traffic volume. You can see it's growing. It is kind of consistent here. And as you can see here, there are more than or close to 1,000 people that are currently searching for this product on Bing, because this is specific to Bing ad. So Bing ad. And as you can see here, this is the suggested bid, meaning if you're trying to advertise for this keyword here, enable pure, you'll be expected to spend up to $7 per click. So this is just suggested. So it's not that you must pay $7. You can pay less than that, but this is just suggested. Okay, so now we can see that this specific product has a decent traffic. Now what we want to do is to click on this back button here. So what we want to do now is to create a campaign. That is, we want to start advertising this product, because we've seen that okay, this product pays $100 per CPA commission if we earn a sale, like a customer buys this product through our link. Okay, we earn $100, and also this product has decent traffic that we can promote to, and also we want to start promoting this product now. In order to start promoting this product, you just need to click on this. So I'll just duplicate this page. Let me just duplicate this page. Okay, so here I'll just click on this create here. Now what you want to do is, what is your campaign goal here? What is the goal of your campaign? So just click on visit to my website. This is the one you want to choose here. Now what you want to do is you want to add the name of that product, which is Enable Pure here. So you can just name it Enable Pure. You can put anything there. Now what is your budget? So I'll just suggest, if you're doing this strategy, just start with $50 per day. So just start with $50 per day. Now for the location, because we only have $50 to spend per day, what I do recommend is you just target just one location for a start. Now once you start earning commissions, now you can increase your budget to $100 per day. Then you can add other locations or other countries like United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and so on and so forth. But since we already have only just $50 to spend per day, I'll just say go with the United States for now, because they have the money to spend. So and the next thing what we want to do is want to uncheck this here, and we just want to leave it with this one, people in our target location, which is people in the United States. So we scroll down, nothing again here. We just click on save and go to next step. Okay, so once this page loads, what to ask you for is to set up the ad group. Now in order to set up the ad group, you first need to name the ad group. Now for the name of the ad group, you can just put the name of the product as the name of the ad group. Then you can just do something like this, just type ad group here, maybe to just remember. This is just, you can add anything here. Now here where it says keyword, so this is very important here. This is where you set your targeting on how you want to target your keyword. So in Bing, there are 3 different types of ways you can target. So as you can see here, this thing that is showing here, it says this one with these 2 columns here indicates phrase match here. Why this one with these brackets here, it says exact match. So if you don't want to do the phrase match or the exact match, you can just leave the keyword like that and it will be broad match. So we don't want to do that. This is just what we will just focus on here. You just put these 2 brackets like this. Now we just want to leave it like this. So this one simply means exact match. This is what we want to target, because we just want to target people that are searching for this name. We don't want people that are searching for variation of this name. We just want people that are searching for this name, because people that are searching for this name, they know about the product already and they want to buy this product. So once you do this, now next thing you want to do is to scroll down and click on save and go to next step. Okay, so this place is about setting up the ad. Now, in order to start setting up the ad, you just need to click on create ad, because this is the one that these guys, they're going to see on Bing search when they search for Enable Pure. This is the ad that they're going to see there. They're going to click on it to go over to anywhere we want to send them to and buy the offer. So in order to set up this here, we'll leave it as responsive here. Now, first of all, you go back here. Now, once you go back here, you copy this your link. This is your affiliate link. So you just copy this link. So I'll just copy this here. Now you come back to this Bing here. Because on Bing, there are 2 differences. Because on Bing now, you don't using this strategy, you don't need to use a landing page. But if you want to still use a landing page, I have the video that will link below that will show you how to create a high converting landing page like this. But using this strategy, you don't also need to use a landing page. But if you're doing this strategy on Google Ad, then you have to use a landing page, which is a must because Google Ad needs to use a landing page. So here, I'll just put this link here. Now, once I put this link here, the next step is to set up the headlines. Now, I've already created these headlines we want to use here. So this is the first headline we'll use here. So we'll just copy this here. It says 𝗢𝗂𝗿 Then we'll come back to this place. I'll copy this one too, which says, because this kind of ad, it converts very well. That's why I'm just using this format. It says special offer ends today because we want to add that urgency there. Now it says save up to $300. So I'll just put this here, save up to $300. So if you want to find the amount they are saving up here, when you go back to this page, if you click on this landing page, then it's going to take you to the sales page of the vendor. So once it takes you to this sales, just scroll down to where they have the pricing table here. You can see it says save up to $300. This one save up to 120. This one is just 30. So I just pick up the highest here, which is this one here. So you say save up. Okay, so once I do that, then I come back here. Let me see if I've added it. Okay, then I come back here. I'll copy this here. This one is for the description. So we'll just come back here. We'll scroll down. So where it says descriptions here, I'll just add this here. So let's see. It says exceeded by 90. Okay, so let's see what add free. Okay, get free shipping. So now we're okay with this now. So this one is okay. So I just adjusted it because of it was above the limit there. Now the next step I'll just do is I'll just copy this other one here. So it says 60-day money back guarantee. Because how did I know about this? I come back here, you can see this badge here. It says 60 days. Some of them might be 180 days. So you just need to check that out. Now once you do that, you paste this one too here. Okay, so everything is on point here. Now you can see the main ad here. You can see the ad here. Let's see something here. Okay, so every other thing is okay. So when they click on this ad, it's going to take them to the vendor's page. Remember, this is your affiliate link because this is your affiliate. Because if they click on this page now, it's going to take them straight to the vendor's page, passing your affiliate because they're using your affiliate link to get to the vendor's page. So if they do this, you're going to earn commission if they buy this product because you're just what you're doing here. You're doing direct linking. That is what they call it. You're doing direct linking here. That is why you added this here. Okay, so let's see if I click on this here. Let's see where it's going to take me to. Now you can see it takes me to 𝗢𝗂𝗿 here. Okay, so that is what you need to do there. You can also do something else here. You can also do, okay, you copy this here. Let's say for instance you copy this and get okay, you copy this here, then you paste this here. If you paste this here, then you come back to this place. Where is it? Here. So you copy this link here, you do Ctrl+C here, then you come back here. So if you come back here, you can scroll down where you have this add URL option. You click on it. Now where you have tracking template, you paste that your affiliate link here. So if you paste your affiliate link here, then you click on test. So click on test. If you do this, click on test. So it says landing page. You can see landing page not found. So let's see what we can do there. Okay, so if you see something like this here, what you have to just do here, because this one works very well on ClickBank. If you're doing it on ClickBank, you can just do something like, so in this case, I'll just remove this here. So I'll just cancel this here. Then I'll just come back here and just paste this link here. So once I paste this link here, we're good to go. So once I do that, we set up the ad here. Then we'll just click on save and continue. Okay, so we've done that. Now what you can do is you can duplicate this. So you can say copy ad. So if you copy it, you can like to make it to here. So if you want to edit something in this ad, maybe you want to say special offer ends today, you can say get so you can do something like this, to just make it a variation of the first ad itself. Then you click on save. Okay, so once you do this, now you're done setting up the ads. Now the next step is to scroll down. When you scroll down, now you click on this save and go to next step here. There to ask you to review your budget again. So you leave it as $50 per day. You leave it as enhanced CPC here. So you can see your bid here. Your bid, remember it says suggested bid close to $7 when we were doing the keyword research there. But now it says your bid. So I'll just say just start with $5. I just like starting with $5. Just myself, I like starting with $5. So you can say $5. Now once you do this $5, you might not spend up to $5. You might spend maybe $3 depending on the amount of traffic you're getting. You might spend $3, you might spend $4, but it will not exceed $5. So once you do this, then you scroll down. Okay, then you click on this advanced campaign settings here. Now once you do this, you scroll down, you click on add distribution here. Now you say the entire Okay, so I think Microsoft just updated it. So just leave it as it is like this here. Now you click this, then you click on save. So once you click on save, then it will launch your ad. But remember, before you do this, make sure you add, if like you fund your account, because this my account is kind of a prepaid account, meaning I need to fund it first before I, because I'm not running an ad here now. But make sure you fund your account before running this ad. Why you're doing this is so that Bing doesn't ban your account, because obviously if there's no money in your account, there's no way you can run an ad. So you need to, click on the ad fund there, put your credit card there and fund your account. Once you fund your account, you need to go into review state. Then from there it will get approved and it will start running. And before the next 48 hours, you start seeing sales into your, your buy goods, clickbank, or any other affiliate network account, because this is something I've done. It is proving that it is working. So if you just implement it for yourself, you can find other products to do test with those other products. So you're going to start seeing sales into your affiliate account on the various networks you're using. Okay, so that is just all here. So if you're looking for a proven online business to start today, simply check out the link in my description which says get blueprint. This specific link here you're seeing here for this video. If you just scroll down to the description, you're going to see the video. Now what you have to do is to click on it, then it will take you to this landing page. On this landing page, what you need to do is to click on this button here and enter your email address here. Then I'm going to send you a free video that is going to explain to you how this business model works and how you can get started with it immediately. So if you've gotten value from this video you've watched today, please, I highly recommend you smash the subscribe button, like the video, and also share it with your friends, so it will enable us grow on YouTube and also enable you get notified immediately as soon as we upload our next video. So if you also have questions you want to ask, please type them in the comment box below. Then I'm going to try my best to answer all these questions, as soon as possible. Finally, before you go, please check out these videos that are appearing up here on your screen to learn more money making strategies on how you can make more money online. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in one of our other videos.